Aloha guys, Scuba Chris. When I go out and do my videos out in the field, I normally use a headband. See this? This has been a headband. The headband's been great because, like, say if my reel goes zzz, I happen to look. Wow, look at that. Instant footage because I have this on my head. Now, recently I got the chesty, alrighty? And the problem with the chesty is, if you look that way, and see I have my camera extension on like this, so if something happens here and I look this way, well, I'm missing it. I'm gonna have to turn my whole body that way. That kind of sucks, you know. Something happens that way, I gotta turn my whole body. We're not set up that way. Our sensory perception set up with the eyes is the head that's gonna turn, right? So what are we gonna do? Now I can stick to my headband, but I got something different. Check this out, ActionHat. That's what it is. You're gonna see it has the mount over here. So wherever your head turns, right, that is what you're gonna see. Extremely well built. It has the foam backing in the back here. So in case it ever falls off your head, it's gonna float. Your GoPro will not sink. It has a metal bracket over here, okay, that goes to the mounting over here. So this is a fairly safe system. I haven't used it yet. I just got it. The guy was nice enough to send this to me. So let me show you what this looks like. So what is good about this hat? This hat will float. Now, of course, you gotta make sure that you tilt your camera slightly on a downward angle, whatever the angle is that you normally would do when you using your headband. You want to do this on the cap, so roughly about like that. So and then you tighten up the knob here, and that's the same angle you're going to use. And if you're not too sure, just take a picture of it. Look at the back of the camera. See if you clear the bill. As soon as you clear the bill, lock it in. That's the correct angle. Now, like I said, you can see the foam inside. See the gray? That's the foam. So what happens is, if this accidentally blows off, hits the water with your GoPro, it's gonna float. Now I keep saying GoPro. GoPro is the main word in action cameras. It'll work with any type of action camera as long as you use a GoPro mount. See that? As long as it'll take a GoPro mount, you can mount it on ActionHat. Now kayakers enjoy this cap. They like this because you need hands-free and you need to be in an area where space is very limited, and a lot of kayakers use this hat. Now if you don't want to put it on this, leave it on this hat, I mean, you can order with any type of hat you want, but you can also exchange it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my Kuma hat. This is my spare one. So to do that, I'm gonna unbolt these two screws here, and I'm gonna screw it into the other hat. Notice I just popped the screws off. It just simply comes off, just like that. Now you notice there's two holes in the cap, so you have to make holes in the other cap to put that in. All right, I got the liner in, solid. It is in there, solid. Look at that. You can feel it coming out to here. That's about as solid as you're gonna get. Alrighty guys, that's the solid piece right there. That's all you have to do if you want to change the hat over. So this is what I'll be using because I'm a Kuma. Need to use a Kuma. Thanks.